Just come round to do a survey at a customer's house in Blackpool regarding damp cavity wall insulation, and as you can see his electric meter, it's all full of the cavity wall insulation. And I'll take some of this here and we can see this insulation is wet. That's wet insulation, cavity wall insulation, and it's all around the customer's electric meter. What they haven't done is they haven't put a sleeve up here. This is all open to the cavity up here. They should have sleeved up here, but instead they've left it and all the insulation has blown in. If we look at the back brick down at the back, that's on the external wall, and we can see how wet that is. All this around the electric is not safe, and the insulation, like I say, is wet. And the customer's having issues. Terrible. Thanks for watching. Bye.